book is so awesome. I can do anything. This book is so awesome. I am the potions king. Did you hear that, Half-Blood Prince? I said I was the king. Can you hear me, Professor Snape? I can make anything. This book is so awesome.
You know, the first time that you tried to kill Harry, my dad told me it was really scary. We did not know if you ever were gonna come back to us, your people. When the curse reversed, it hurt you real bad. Some jerks were happy, no they were not sad. They said hooray, there's no way he's okay. Yeah, I think he has gone away, far away, there to stay. Oh hooray. They didn't know that you were freaking awesome. Voldemort, I think that you are really freaking awesome. 'Cause you figured out what Horcruxes are all about. It won't take that much longer. You're getting stronger every day. And now those jerks are worried that you're coming back. Yeah, they're afraid that you will attack. And I know you will totally unmercifully destroy all non-believers. And now it looks like you